Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show you how to propagate snake plant, also known as Dracaena Trifasciata, by dividing the rhizome and its care. Snake plant is one of the best low maintenance beautiful indoor house plant. It can also survive with less water, which make it a great plant for beginners. First of all, choose a healthy and matured snake plant with several pups growing around the mother plant. Take out snake plant from the pot. Gently separate the creeping rhizome and grow it individual pot. Now I am making potting mix for snake plant. The ratio of the potting mix is 60% garden soil, 20% fine sand and 20% vermicompost. Mix it well. Take two well-drained pots and cover the drainage holes with some coconut husk. Fill it with potting mix. Plant separated rhizome into the potting mix. It is a very easy process. You can do it any time of the year, but best season is spring. Finally, sprinkle a little bit of water and keep it in partial sunlight place. For proper care, keep the snake plant in bright indirect sunlight. It can also tolerate low light condition, but growth may be slower. Water the plant only when the soil becomes completely dry. Snake plants don't like excessive water. You can add a small amount of organic fertilizer one every few months during the growing season. With very little care, keep your snake plant healthy. I hope this video will help you to grow snake plant easily at home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Green Bengal. Thank you for watching this video.